In this video, we will show you how to use the bulk check-in option. Double-click on the book in the bookshelf to navigate to the chapter screen. Click on the desired tab where you checked out the files. Select Check-in Multiple Files option. This will open the Check-in Multiple Files interface. Drop or select the files to check in the top panel of the interface. The progress of the check-in process can be viewed in the pop-up window. A green tick next to a file means it is ready for check-in. A red X symbol indicates the file is not checked out on the site, with a tooltip stating, "File is not checked out." Any extra files in the upload will be added as new files. The Enter Description column allows information entry within the pop-up window. To apply the same description to multiple files, select the desired files first, then enter the description for one file. The description will be automatically applied to all selected files during the check-in. Click Save and Check-in. Note, this feature can be configured for specific roles. If you are interested in enabling this feature for your team, please contact the help desk with this request. Be sure to specify the user roles for which the feature has to be enabled.